In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at some of the options that are available in the general settings of the ConnectFlow plugin. This includes options such as configuring your output file and specifying whether products are able to trigger the ConnectFlow plugin. So starting off with Use Data Format XML. This is a toggle switch between the creation of your output file in an XML or JSON format. Having the option selected results in an XML being produced. Having the option deselected results in a JSON being produced. Options further down this setting list allow configuration of an XSLT file. If they are utilized, then this setting is ignored. Next setting down, we have Escape Special Characters. So in an XML file, special characters are those that have special meaning within the XML syntax. These characters are reserved and cannot be used directly as text within the XML content. Instead, they need to be escaped using specific sequences of characters called escape sequences. So there's 5 different characters that are considered special characters in the XML. You can find more details on those in the step-by-step guide that accompanies this tutorial. But just as an overview, we've got the less than symbol, greater than, the ampersand, the apostrophe, and the quotation mark. By using these escape sequences, you can include these special characters within XML content without conflicting with your XML syntax. It's important to properly escape special characters in XML to ensure valid and well-formed XML documents. Failing to escape these characters can lead to parsing errors or misinterpretation of the XML data. Next down, we have Pause Order Processing. So this is a stop toggle switch. Enabling this setting means that the ConnectFlow plugin is not triggered by any orders. Next, we have Date Time Format Pattern. This provides the ability to specify a date format, predefined XSLTs. So an XSLT file can be used to transform the standard XML into any format required by your third-party software. We provide a range of pre-configured XSLT templates which can be freely utilized and modified as required. Select a predefined XSLT format and click Apply XSLT to generate the content within the text box. So XSLT for submit order. This is the XSLT script to be utilized upon the submission of relevant orders. It works by transforming XML content into a format which can be utilized by your third-party system. Infigo offers generation of XSLT files as a professional service for an additional development charge. Scrolling down, we have delivery type. So available options in this dropdown are print, digital, and all. This allows you to specify which products trigger the ConnectFlow plugin based on their delivery configuration. Include file upload attribute link. So a product attribute can be configured to allow users to upload additional files as part of an order. This option within the ConnectFlow plugin ensures information on these uploaded files is captured within the output file by providing a downloadable link for the uploaded file. The next series of options are various different naming options. So this set of options allows you to configure the naming convention of many areas of the output file. So the majority of the users that utilize the ConnectFlow plugin don't tend to adjust these settings. So underneath the mapping settings section, we have include only mapped products. So this allows this option allows granular control over which products will trigger the Connect Flow plugin. With this checkbox selected, only products with an external ID specified will be considered by the plugin. The next steps will briefly cover how to specify an external ID on a product-by-product basis. So what I'm going to do is navigate to my product management screen. And in my case, I'll open that in a new tab so I don't lose my initial page. Click on the little plus icon next to your relevant product, and then you'll see we have this Connect link icon within the product variant table. Clicking this will load a separate screen, and all you have here is the selection of the relevant plugin that you want to utilize. So we only have Connect Flow activated in this case, and then we have a box for external ID. So this is the perfect location to input an identifier for this product from your third-party system. So for example, I might put test mapping 001 just as a sample. If you want to do something a bit more detailed than specify the connection for an entire product, then you can go into more detail inside the product variant details itself, where you can do the same process with attributes, if you had attributes assigned, and attribute combinations. So you can link those combinations as you would the same method as the entire product. Include only mapped product attributes. So this option has the same behavior as the setting above it, but applies to product attributes, of which there may be multiple per product, rather than simply an entire product. So more information on product attributes can be found within the Infigo Academy or within our Help Center. The next section is asset configuration, with the first option being is asset download link enabled. So if selected, this provides a link in the output file to download the artwork produced by that Infigo job. Then we have include asset details node. So if I click on that, I get access to a couple more options there. So this allows the generation or the inclusion of an image of your artwork. So 3 formats are available. You can do a PDF. So this is simply utilizing the artwork output produced by Infigo. You can do a PNG. So the PNG is generated from the artwork output file. Or you could do a JPEG. So a JPEG is generated again from the artwork output PDF. If you specify a PNG or a JPEG, you're also able to specify the resolution of that resulting output. Next, we have related PDFs. So this adds links in the output file related to additional PDFs about the job in question. So you can choose to include invoices, you can include packaging slips, and you can include job ticket links.